मैं इधर ले जा रहा हूँ गेस्ट को। हेलो
1921 में लाला लाजपत राय जी ने असहयोग आंदोलन से प्रभावित
हेलो
मुझे और विचार I live in Delhi. I read in first class. I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. My name is Rahul. I am 6 years old. I live in Delhi. I read in first class. I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूँ.
Okay. You don't go outside. Come. Hello, sir. What is the average pay of hello? If they go and work, how much do you know?
250 rupees to 400 rupees for
Per
the
day.
labor.
Per day. 250 to 400.
Because different companies use different work. Like here mostly we have 15 children from the Muslim community. Water exchange, but they have to go to different places
To collect the water.
water.
That's a progressive stuff.
So progressive, in non-progressive slums, they are living in the camps.
Hello.
How long do people live here?
45 years.
And are they under threat of being moved?
They are under threat right now. CM Sheila Dixit came here for they have to shift, and she apologized that you can stay here. Many ministers also came for meeting every day here for doing meetings because this land is taken by the Raheja, the builder, for 6.5 crores, like $1 million.
Right.
But this place worth is more than $1,000 million. So it's like a lot of money, you know.
Right.
And people say we will die, we will not shift. Because many people know that how to get them here, mostly artists living here. This is also the last artist slum in India. You can say this is a puppeteer colony also.
I see.
So people who wants to know that they want to get something for a job, they come here directly to ask them. And they can find every kind of artist here.
So they do work for people outside of here.
Yeah. And they have permanent contacts, so people coming, they having, they will move to some other place, then they will not get that much of jobs.
Right. So it's people prefer to be here.
Yeah, prefer to be here because they are living in a community like their own villages.
Right.
Rajasthani
They know
people,
everyone.
man.
And families have been here for 20 years, 50 years?
45 years they
45
live.
years.
First day was 200, 300 people came, then relatives came, more come.
So
How
more
many
and more.
people are here in this slum?
40,000,
40,000. And how big is this slum?
6.5 acres.
6.5 hectares.
So it's very close together.
Yeah, very, very close.
And does the city of Delhi do anything here? Or if there were a fire here, would they come and put the fire out?
Yeah, there was already fire some years ago, and all the Gujarati community camps gone. So they built it up, but they didn't provide them with new houses. They have to build their own house.
Right. I've heard that people here can go to free housing somewhere else.
Yeah,
Okay, but many of us prefer not to.
not to go. But because if they shift to another place, then they have to come back. They have to pay
Yeah.
because they will make house for them, and they have to pay 400,000 rupees in installment. So they cannot pay
400,000 rupees
for a house.
here.
Yeah, if they go shift somewhere and the government makes for them house, then they have to pay for the house.
Oh yeah, so the house is 400,000.
Right. So if they make money here, they get to keep it all,
Yeah,
right? As opposed to paying rent.
yeah.
So it's better here. If you don't make any money for a long time, it's okay. You can stay here.
Yeah.
If you don't make money
There
in the housing, then they kick you out.
and everyone has more than 10 to 12 people.
In the house.
Yeah, 10 people living, 15 people living, 8 people. They produce a lot of children.
So people here, is this the size of, how many people would be living in this size room?
The 10 people.
10 people. And where do people get food?
Food they buy and cook. They use
Little
wood.
stores along
Yeah,
here?
yeah. They use mostly wood and kerosene oil.
Okay. Yeah.
But now kerosene oil has been banned.
Yeah. Well, fires.
Yeah, so now they have been given gas cylinders. Many are using gas cylinders, but most of the people are buying wood for 10 rupees.
The big red gas cylinders.
Yeah.
So you can buy one and then use it. Is it safer?
Yeah, it's safer.
Yeah.
But then for them it's very expensive. They have to pay every time, you know.
Yeah.
Because the connection of gas you can get after 1 month.
Yeah.
So so many people living together, they burn the gas in 10 days. So they have to be dependent on wood.
Yeah. And where do they find wood?
Wood they are selling here for 10 rupees, 20 rupees according to the size.
I've seen many people doing recycling around the city. Are there people here who go out and get bottles and cans and sell them?
Yeah, they sell it. There are people like this. They pick up all the garbage.
Right. And so they sell art here, things they make. They do recycling. What other ways do people make money here?
They do painter, carpenter job, selling, making bamboo chairs,
Okay.
cane chairs, selling on the road, selling t-shirts, selling socks.
So they make things here, and then do many of them have bicycles or a way to get around?
Bicycles some people have, not everyone.
Yeah. But if you want to,
In this crowded city, it's
Right.
not safe to take bicycle.
You know that?
yeah, right. It's not safe to walk.
मैम वो कहाँ गए? उनको बुला लीजिए.
Where are you from?
People here live. People making food from mostly wood and kerosene. So they are now been given gas cylinders. In every family they have 10 to 15 people. So they burn up the gas cylinder in 10 to 12 days, and you have to take another gas cylinder, wait 1 month. So they use the wood. So wood you can buy for 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees according to your budget. But with the wood, if you make the food with the wood, food is very good.
Yeah.
Natural. You should try one day.
My grandma used to have a wood stove, so the food is very good. Yeah.
Midday meal. Like food.
Yeah.
We have this unbreakable plates. So they have different kind of section there. So we use that.
Okay. Where do you get the food from?
Food is they bring them. They bring the
They bring the
dishes.
food.
Yeah, and they make a bread, tomato slice,
Yeah.
or sometimes sauce or butter in that, and they give like this. Chapati.
So they
Chapati and bread sandwich.
children here don't go hungry.
And they feed, because it's not possible 4 o'clock they will cry.
They're hungry. I've heard of a program in India, I think in the south, where they're serving hundreds of thousands of children every day, very inexpensively.
100 or 1,000?
Hundreds of thousands of children they eat for just a few rupees a day.
Yeah, that's a midday meal by government, but many children become sick. So people are afraid to go home there again.
So
That's called Anganwadi.
okay.
One of our school have this also.
Yeah.
Our Anganwadi center there.
Yeah.
Their children come to take food with their bowls and go to their home to eat.
Right.
But that's very low quality food.
Okay.
Not,
We're very concerned. I work in a community that has 4 children, not as poor as this, but we're concerned that they get good food.
yeah, but how can it be possible if you are making a food in 8 rupees, 10 rupees, 15
Right.
rupees?
Yeah.
You cannot
You can't
because
do
it's
that.
so much.
Right.
There is so
It
much.
takes more than that. Right. Yeah.
It's okay like interaction with the children. हैं? वो जा रहे आगे आप चलिए।
अकेले
नहीं मुझे तो मिला ही नहीं। मुझे तो मिला ही नहीं। तुझे मिला?
वो आप खींच बनाए
Kuta, kuta. और आओ कौन है?
चलो तो मत लगे ना
रावणी का
चल वाला कुछ तो करा
अरे भाई डिलीवरी होता है तो काय बने
मंगो चला
The problem which are seeing at this place, such type of problem is not even in the villages of India. All villages are well equipped with road, street lights. It is the worst condition I say.
Well, because this is some people came 200, 300 people come to this colony and they have been given the identity card. If they will get other people, they think is illegal.
I
So
think
they
there
are
is
in
some
process to take it out.
adverse mind is working behind their uplift, to uplift. If they will be uplifted, their profession will be stopped. I think so. Otherwise, आप लोग क्या काम करते हैं?
हम लोग आदिवासी है आदिवासी है हम लोग आदिवासी
नहीं यहाँ क्या काम करते
यहाँ
हैं?
पे कुछ कोटी में काम करता है कोई
कोटी
आयुर्वेदिक
में
का
काम
काम करता है
Founders are there.
So when they go to the hospital, do they stay there or the treatment and come
They
here?
treatment and come here. Take the pills if they are available. Otherwise, they have to buy.
If they can't buy, then
The expensive pills are not in stock any time. The small pills are on every time is there.
if they're hurt, if they get cut or burned, they get taken care of them.
Yeah, they can be taken care. But according to bandages and everything, emergency, they can be taken care of.
But otherwise, if you're very sick, you die here.
In Rajasthani slums, people die in 1 month, 5 to 6 people because of drinking in the night. Water is not good. They are not eating anything.
No. And sure, the water isn't good for people.
Yeah, and they're drinking without any eating something. So many drinking and so many spices makes their mind
And do people become mentally ill?
mentally ill. The guy who was with us in the red, he was mentally ill. Like,
And can he get treatment too?
that is special kind of people. They are different hospitals for that, but they have to stay in that hospital.
For a long time.
And the people don't want to send them because they do also wrong things there. Many guys are staying there. No?
So people
So in narcotics department also, if they are giving them taking them out to people like taking to the center, they are afraid because they hear many stories about it that so many people are coming, so many people are having this wrong men do with men kind of things in toilets. So they are afraid of this going, sending their people there.
So people try to stay here.
Say but they don't try to send
As
them.
long as people aren't violent or
Violence
very
is
difficult.
when violence is there in Rajasthani slums, they with bricks.
Yeah.
They fight with bricks, tubes.
Yeah.
They fight with swords.
Yeah.
They have swords also. So last time there was a fight, one guy leg got chopped off. He was there to make compromise
Yeah.
between them, and
Right.
he was the head.
Yeah. So will the police come in here?
Yeah, police comes. The police also are tired. There's so many things
Right,
happen.
every night.
But they don't say to other people. They are among themselves.
Yeah,
Among themselves they fight,
yeah.
not outside people.
Like a lot of places.
Is it far? Rafsanjani? Where's you mentioned this Rafsanjani? This place where they do a lot of drinking. Is it just there?
Rajasthani. And where we go, we started our part slums.
Where you had
Yeah, where we were talking.
the class was there. Just there only.
That is Rajasthani.
their own alcohol? They make their own or they buy?
No, they buy 20 liquor. 20 liquor is very not good. They drink 40 rupees for bottle. In good alcohol is 350. Like good one. Liquor, country liquor is 40.
What about drugs?
Drugs they have a lot. Marijuana. Marijuana.
Is there a lot of drug taking?
Huh?
Is there a lot of drug taking in here?
Drug taking, yeah. People are drug taking here. Brown sugar, marijuana. They get married, they don't open their eyes. Sometimes women getting married, they have to come back because they are doing nothing, earning nothing. So they have to come back.
So, how many people leave here in a month? How many people find somewhere else to go or do something different?
No, mostly people are living here only, not people going not people who are coming from villages, they are going to village and coming back and going because they have a home also here. So they just take care of that home or rent it out.
Oh, okay. So, if you want to come here, you have to find a place. You have to
Arrange, we have to buy, we have to hire a place.
Yeah. So you can't just walk in here and start living here.
We'll start living.
Okay. So it's like everywhere else.
So we should leave now. One of the state in India. People from there living here. This is the Gujarat part of the slums. And Gujarat. And this is Bihar part of the slums.
Oh, the art.
बिहार कम्युनिटी में समस्तीपुर से झारखंड से
Fine job. Where are you from? Brazil. Really nice. Yeah, you enjoyed it? Yeah, Bras Basah. Huh? The road is Bras Basah Road, SMU. Oh yeah.
And this is a leprosy camp. This is leprosy. People live in leprosy.
Can I got more than
Place
Oh yeah?
6.5 acres.
Wow.
People from Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Mumbai, Rajasthan, Gera is a criminal community banned, one of the criminal communities banned in the time of British time. 28 communities was banned. They never do any hard work. They only rob, do like this, robbing, kidnapping, this kind of activities. They're from where? Gera, criminal community. That is Gera. You singer.
एक बार वन फोटो सिंगर वन सिंगर अब
भी डाल लीजिए
जो मेरा ताबो मेरा कौन किसके जवाना है फैसला होगा
Good for you. Sandu. So what happened when it's raining?
It's water.
It's what?
Water.
Everywhere, even in the house.
Some houses which have blockage like
Okay.
this, then
अगर आगे बढ़ जाएंगे
had 28 students. This is beauty parlor inside the beauty course we did. We hired 2 teachers from the slums, one from the Muslim community, one here living here to teach us Thai, and they learn beauty course here and they learn stitching here, sewing and stitching. Beauty course is for 6 months, stitching is for 1 year.
Okay.
We will give them a certificate.
Nationally recognized.
Yeah. We are registered with the government. 2013, January, and we started here.
So you work in many slums?
2 slums.
This one and one more?
One more. Where we were working there, but there's an incident happened where we have taken the place like this. The guy committed suicide.
The owner?
The owner of the place. They have a fight, mother and wife. Committed
So
suicide.
you can't do that anymore?
Yeah, so that's why we more focus on there.
तुम पहले नहीं बताते हो, पता नहीं सारा काम गड़बड़ कर देते हो, फिर गड़बड़ अपना आप करते हो, फिर मेरे को